Hi guys, my name is Tanmay and welcome to my channel. As the title of this video suggests, I did yoga for 30 days and in this video you are going to see what happened after that. That means my experience, results, etc, etc. But before moving into the video, let me clear a few things for you all. I was never into yoga in my entire life. Even I hated the thought of me doing yoga because I always thought yoga is for elderly people who can't go to gym and who can't perform cardio exercises like aerobics or Zumba or high intensity exercises like that, because I always thought yoga is very slow. But now I can say I was completely wrong and my views on yoga has completely changed. Even though I'm a person who mostly eats healthy homemade food for most days in a month, but I was never into exercising. In between, I tried to follow some YouTube videos of aerobics, Zumba, high intensity interval training, etc, etc. But again, that's once in a blue moon. I was never consistent with my workouts. I always felt so lazy whenever I wanted to do workouts. So end of the story, I never had a proper workout routine or workout schedule. So with the growing health consciousness in me, I thought, along with the healthy eating habits I have, if I can add a little bit of exercising in my day, then that will be more beneficial for my health and for my body. So I seriously decided to have a proper workout routine which I can follow every single day without failure. As I said earlier, I have tried all forms of exercises, but I was never consistent with any one of them. So I thought, till now I haven't tried yoga, so why not give it a shot? So that's how the idea of me doing yoga had stuck my brain. So the next question is, so I followed the Shilpa Shetty's app. I really admire Shilpa Shetty a lot. I follow her everywhere, on her YouTube channel, on her Instagram, on her Facebook. I really admire her a lot. So I downloaded that app and all the programs available in that app were pro version. I don't know whether I will be consistent or not. So I went with the only free program available at that time, which is Yoga for Fat Blasting, which is a 28-day program. I finally started the challenge on February 1st, 2020. So yeah, I finally started the challenge this year. So this is how the program looks. It's yoga for fat blasting. The duration is 28 days and the difficulty is intermediate. So as soon as I open this, it will give a complete timetable of the days where you need to follow the program and the days to take rest. So this is how the overview looks like. So if I go to day 1, this is how the exercises look like. And these exercises are very easy to do and the instructions are very clear, and the only equipment you require for this is yoga mat as mentioned here. This is about the app. As you can see, I have finished the 28-day program successfully. So yeah, this is how the program looks. So on day 1, I was not at all flexible and could barely touch my toe with much difficulty. It was difficult in the beginning, but after 2-3 days, I picked up with the pace and was almost perfect with the postures. This was the first time for me doing yoga, but it never felt like that. I realized that I am falling in love with yoga within the first 4-5 days and I never looked back. Forget about doing Surya Namaskara perfectly. I always thought I would never be able to remember the steps properly. That's maybe because of the negative feeling I had for yoga, but trust me, I learned how to do the Surya Namaskaras and I remembered every single step in just one day, that too in just one single round. I completed the 28-day program successfully and I can clearly see few differences in both my health and body. So let's talk about the results, the before and the after. I know many of you are here to know about the results, precisely the numbers which we can see easily, but I'm gonna tell more than that which I observed and I'm still experiencing. So first start with the interesting topic, that's the numbers. So I have lost almost 2.5 to 3 kgs in those 28 days, even though that's a good number, but it's not always about the numbers, there is much more than that. So I'm gonna divide the results apart from the numbers into 4 simple points. So the first point is flexibility. In the first week, it was very tough for me to do the asanas as my body was not much flexible. I could touch my toes, but it used to hurt me a lot when I need to hold that asana for few seconds. But now I am much more flexible than ever in my entire life. And point number 2, stamina. I was a person who used to get tired even after cooking. Even with a house help who is very regular to her work, I could barely do anything because I always used to feel tired. But now, even without maid, that is because of the lockdown which is going on currently, so even without the maid, I am able to do all the household chores like sweeping, mopping, cleaning utensils, cooking, dusting the house, etc., single-handedly without being tired. So that clearly shows how much my stamina got improved. But I will tell one more example. I think every one of you knows duck walk, right? I was never able to do at least 8 to 10 steps earlier. That used to hurt my thighs, my calves a lot. But now I can walk like a duck all over my house. In fact, as the house help is not available right now, I sweep my entire house by doing duck walk. I think this example is sufficient to tell you all how much my stamina got improved. So point number 3, back pain. My back used to hurt a lot earlier, but now it's gone. So there are so many yogasanas which helped in stretching the back muscles and by improving my flexibility and by strengthening the core muscles, which are the major support for the spine. So yeah, it helped me cure my back pain. So point number 4, digestion and relaxation. So as I do breathing exercises daily as a part of the program, it helped me a lot with digestion and also in calming my mind and body. So in short, in just a month, I have become much better person and my health has improved a lot. So that's about my yoga challenge which I took for 28 days. If you are also struggling with not having a proper exercise routine and all, trust me, go with the yoga. You will not regret with the decision. In fact, I'm suggesting all my friends also to do that, because as this is a free program, you can do that without burning your pockets. So go for it, and this is the right time to start your workout because of the lockdown. Everybody is staying at home, so this is the right time. So by the end of the lockdown, it will become a habit for you and you will be more consistent with your workouts. So I'm not telling to follow only yoga because this worked for me. So if you enjoy any other form of workout, then go for it and do it without failure. But this is the right time. Make use of this time properly. Start to have a proper healthy routine. So that's about today's video. I hope you liked it. If you do so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my journey. And let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.